Noah's gone up there. Here we are sending this. Yep. Sending this new jump we built. You doing it? Well, that needed packing down a bit more. It's another one we built. Yeah, just fucking send it. So pretty nice jump. It's not all that well packed because we've only just like modified it today, because we didn't originally build the jump with some other kids, and we've just modified it, made it better, and I'm pretty sure we're maybe the only ones jumping it, but oh well. Pretty nice spot. Some other jumps some other kids have built all the way down there. You going? My bike? It's time to just glaze my bike. Great sound effects. Nice new Burgertech seat so I don't get seat buzz. Double 170mm. And some more building.
Yeah, fucking hell, it's fuck. I went straight past that. We need to maybe make the landing a bit, take off a bit bigger, I say.
Yeah.
It'll be easier. Because you got to be ready to hit that. Because, like, I went
so fucking far. Pretty good jump though.
Yeah.
Though it does make it unavoidable if you like fuck up landing on the other.
Yeah, I know, that's the problem. Like, I just didn't hit the brakes. My hands weren't on the brakes. I was like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Then realised I fucked up.
That's really you fucked up.
No, because like I just wasn't on the brakes. Like, I just thought I'd be fine. And then I saw that tree, and then closed my eyes. I was like, oh shit. I went straight into that bush.
Once you've done this, you go again.
Yeah, I'll do it again. I'm probably not going to go as quick.
Yeah, fair enough on that. You just want to be quick enough to hit this straight after.
Yeah. You didn't even need much speed.
I mean, yeah, it's a step down. As long as you hit it with a moderate amount of speed, you go into the car. It goes down from there across, and then it's a tiny jump. It's just a tiny step down.
I even land.
Like around there-ish. Because that's the top of the landing.
Yeah.
Quite a bit way down. And up for round 2. So Saracen downhill on his bike. Juliana Strega. Best bike in the world. Oh, the stick's moved. Oh shit. Anyways, I can't ride today because I need to wear these clothes out later. So that's why I'm cameraman.
Not too much speed. Straight when you hit it, you're like...
Don't run my helmet over. Why is it even over there?
Do you think I'll be fine?
Yeah, you should be fine. You just trust your work.
Yeah. I never trust my work.
Drop in. Yeah, I'm ready. Off the side again. Yep. Oh, never mind. I thought you went off the side. Yeah. I thought you went off the side of the jump, to be fair. You couldn't see round the tree.
Shit. I think what we do is push this back.
Yeah.
You see it?
Move the jump back a bit so you got a bit more time. Actually packed in a lot of that.
Yeah.
So you're pushing it back to where the landing is?
Yeah.
So I'm hungry.
Yeah, it was actually better than we knew. Where was the shovel? So.
Pretty tough, your bike in the sun. Yeah. Because the sun's shining white on it. So it makes the white stand out even more. What happens when my helmet blinds them? Yeah. Oh, kitties. Probably shouldn't put that in the video, but I will. You might want to make it so it shoots you off down the middle more than into the tree down there. Well, because unless
You won't eat a tree.
Yeah, or eat those rocks at the landing of that jump. I don't think that'd be that tasty. We'll find out as well. After the break. Break is over, it's like 10 seconds.
Make it into a launch.
Maybe make it so it's less like flat and like make it so it's got like a curvature like up like that.
Yeah.
So it shoots you into the air a bit more. Oh fuck, I'm hungry.
Should tilt you in, not really.
Yeah. If not, just tweak your bike in the air and do it yourself. If you don't, it's
I say we add a bit of
tree
mud on that tree.
or rock for dinner. And probably a few less teeth.
And some leaves.
Good side of leaves. Yeah.
Like I went into a minute again.
Oh my god.
I just didn't hit the brakes. I was just scared. I was like,
Was you scared? Maybe do hit the
no,
brake.
like I closed my eyes.
Don't close your eyes.
I was just like, I should be fine.
I should be fine. Let's close my eyes. Great plan. Yeah, I'll stomp it in.
I'm gonna build the landing.
Alright. Stomping it in. Because he's got my shovel. To go glaze the bike. Gold. Probably be the end of the video here because I have got to leave. So, you gonna keep building.
Probably I've got until 6.
Yeah, keep the shovel as long as you bring it back to me tomorrow.
I will.